Hello, welcome to Bali. Wow. Oh, really? Other one, Bali travel vlog.
Bar,
Oh, Wins Bar, yeah.
Wins Bar,
Uh-huh.
Towers.
Yeah. You have to go, you have to come down. Okay, thank you, brother.
Hello, welcome to Bali.
Hello, guys. Welcome back to my channel. Today, I will show you how to like the station at the moment on Legian Beach Bali. Okay, so if you want to know how the session right at the moment, just keep stay in touch. Check it out. Hello guys, how today? Yeah, I'll be fine. Okay guys, today I will make video on Legian Beach Bali. Okay, let me show you how busy and how to like Legian Beach Bali today. Hello, welcome to Bali. Wow. Where you come from? Kidai mate. Aussie, Aussie, Aussie. That's good. Sounds so good. Yeah, this is Legian Beach Bali. Let me show you how busy Legian Beach Bali today. Yeah, future is over there. And actually now we are nearby Jakarta Hotel. And this is a truck to clean the beach when there's a rain and a lot of rubbish on the beach. Okay. Now I will walking at jogging track. And then after that I will walk around side by the beach. Oh, so sorry. My English sometimes so good, my English. Oh, it's very beautiful, isn't it? Beautiful decoration. Hello, welcome to Bali. Enjoy your holiday, brother. Okay, let's continue walking along Legian Beach Bali. Yeah, for sure at the front there is a few bar and some loud music over there. So this way sometimes I have to talk louder than the music because it's copyright when I'm not talking. Actually, I just want to say I want to be beach is calm, nice, not so much music, just be nature. But now more restaurant and cafe, they just use loud music. I hope you know where we are at the moment. I walking start from the north area until to the south area on Legian Beach Bali. Welcome to Bali. Hello. Enjoy your holiday. Where do you come from?
We're from Darwin, Australia.
Kidai mate. Oh, crocodile. Big there. Yeah, they're from Darwin. Look so happy. That's good. Also, you can play volleyball here.
Yeah,
Yeah,
play volleyball
that's good.
every day.
Every day exercise. Bloody good. Okay, let's keep continue walking along Legian Beach Bali. And how busy in this area today. Yeah, now is more cafe in this part. Yeah. Oh, this is cafe. It look like permanent because they have building already. Future is over there. They're having cold beer. That's good. Coconut, young coconut. Wow, future is over there. It's good. You see that? Not really bad, isn't it? Future is in this area. That's good.
Yeah, well, if it's 100,000 what you've got, and there's $1 million, so the share.
Yeah, also future is over there. You see that? The sunset is coming down soon. And look, will be very beautiful today because it's quite clear up there. That's good. Okay guys, let's keep continue walking along Legian Beach Bali. Yeah, now some loud music is starting here. Maybe I have to walking faster, a little bit faster, because the music is follow me now. Wow. I hope you know exactly where we are at the moment, and I hope this video will give you an information about the update situation at the moment in Legian Beach Bali, and we'll show you how look like Legian Beach Bali actually. It's very beautiful. This is so many permanent cafe here. Looks so nice. You can have your lunch by the beach. See that? Wow. Hello. Yeah, that's good. Maybe you want to know how to like just beside the beach. Let me walk around beside the beach, and we'll show you how busy over there today actually. Wow, few trees over there is good. Hello, welcome to Bali. Enjoy your holiday, brother. Sorry, say again?
See you on YouTube.
Oh, really?
There's 9%.
I'm the one, Bali Travel Vlog. That's me. Thank you very much for watching my video, eh? Enjoy your holiday, brother. Where do you come from?
Australia.
Australia. How long you been in Bali already?
3 days.
3 days. I hope the weather getting better and better. Enjoy your holiday, yeah? They're watching my video. That's good. Love it. Because there is so many tourists, sometimes they recognize me. That's good. Yeah, step by step, Bali is getting busier because in the last 2 months it was very quiet because, yeah, full season for Bali. But now, step by step, more tourists come to Bali and make vacation in Bali. But really sad, I heard the flight ticket from Australia to Vietnam is cheaper than the flight from Australia to Bali. Really sad, isn't it? I don't know why. But I hope, yeah, they still will choose Bali for holiday because Bali is closer. Then you fly to Vietnam. Loud music over there. Wow. Sunset will be so beautiful today. You see that? Yeah, looks so good, isn't it? Okay, let's back to the jogging track. But we can sit together in this area. It looks so busy, isn't it? A lot of tourists in this area. It's good. Let's keep continue walking along Legian Beach Bali. Whew. Not so busy yet, but soon we'll be really busy before the sunset down because there is a lot of tourists. They're waiting for sunset on the beach, on this beach. Adik. Oh, jatuh. So what do you think in this area and this beach? Still so beautiful beach, isn't it? Not so dirty actually. It's look so clean. It looks like better than South Scooter Beach Bali. Wow, busy here. That's good. Okay, let's continue walking along the beach. You see, as I told you, there is more and more tourists come to the beach before the sunset because they will enjoy the sunset on the beach today. Happy Coffee and Bar. See? Wow. Look busy over there. It's good. Wow. So nice. No loud music. So calm. They're just so good. Okay, let's walking on the sand again.
For the hotel? No, in October it's cheaper, like 100.
More and more tourists come to Bali, and more tourists come to the beach to see the sunset soon. Hello, welcome to Bali, brother. Where do you come from?
Australia, Brisbane.
Oh, Brisbane, very beautiful country there. I saw the movie, the video. The ocean so blue, so beautiful. But a lot of shark.
Yeah.
Yeah, no, cannot surfing because I got a lot of customer from Wollongong, Aladala, Kuma.
Aladala?
Yeah, they come to Bali for surfing.
I live in Milton.
Oh, you come from there.
Yes, I do. Aladala.
Also beautiful there
It is.
for the
very-
surfing. Yeah.
Yeah, the water is blue, dark blue.
Yeah, dark blue, and then the sand is amazing.
Yeah, very white.
My dream to be there, but too expensive.
It is.
Not easy for us to come to Australia
Yeah.
because very street country. First time come to Bali or been Bali a few times before?
Oh, many.
Many time.
Yeah, we go home, work,
Uh-huh.
earn money, come back to Bali.
Thank you for keeping come to Bali
Yeah, thank you for having us.
because now there's more tourists come to the Vietnam. I heard the flight ticket is cheaper. Oh, thank you very much. I just make YouTube for update session in Bali. So a lot of tourists they are missing Bali and they want to know how look like Bali. So I make video every day to upload to Bali.
We love Bali.
Thank you, yeah. Enjoy your holiday.
We love Wins Bar, Talus.
Huh? Where's that?
Wins Bar.
Oh, this bar. Yeah,
Wins Bar,
Uh-huh.
Talus.
yeah. You have to go. You have to come down. Okay. Thank you, brother.
Thank you.
Thank you. Have a good day.
Bye.
They're very happy to be back in Bali. That's good. You see over there, a lot of tourists also. Now, as I told you, more and more tourists come to the beach to see the sunset. Wow, busy, isn't it? That's good. Hello. Welcome to Bali. Enjoy your holiday, brother. Enjoy your holiday, mom. Yeah, amazing. A lot of tourists in this area. That's good. Busy, busy, busy. They're just so good. Yeah, this is Legian Beach Bali today. So busy, isn't it? Yeah, confirm in Legian Beach Bali, more and more tourists coming. That's good. Okay guys, so this is our day today on Legian Beach Bali. So what do you think? Getting busier, isn't it? That's good. Okay, if you just find the channel and if you don't mind, please subscribe, like, comment. Also you can share this video because there's a lot of people around the world. They are missing Bali and they want to know the update fashion at the moment in Legian Beach Bali. And don't forget to do that because I will always update the new season in Bali, so you will not miss any video from Bali travel vlog. Thank you very much for watching my video and we'll see you in the next video. Bye bye. Woohoo. Hello, how are you? Legian Beach Bali today. Wow, they look so happy too. That's good. Everyone happy. This is really, really good.